So I want to talk to you guys about my newest theory on fuels. Ionic discharge. I've changed my theory on ionic discharge just a teeny little bit. So I want to start with the atom. The atom is made up of flutrons first, which are little spiny shaped 3D objects, which are formed from tapered lines of magnetism creating pressure voids with more powerful lines of magnetism from upper universes pushing down through, creating a spiny object. That's in a semicircle. Semi-spherical, because the lines of magnetism taper as they go up. The flutron is semi-oblong. It's so faint though that you can't notice it if you were to be able to see one, but they're so small that you can't see them. Anyways, so the flutron makes up the atom by little pockets of pressure pushing down and pushing these flutrons out into a circle, and then matter sticking to them with static friction. A crystal gets its energy from being a pressure void, and when you take it from that pressure void of the tapered lines of magnetism where they meet, it then pushes back on the atmosphere because particles are trying to stream into it with the pressure resistance of the crystal's matter. It creates a vibration just like this from the lines of magnetism, creating energy within the crystal from heat and friction, flutonal friction, and flutonal and material friction. So what happens with an atom when we explode gasoline in a combustion engine? What happens is the spark plug sparks, and that instantly goes to the particleized flutron. A particleized flutron is a more dense flutron. The dense ones go up with the spectrum of magnetism, and because they're more particleized, they go towards the more powerful magnetism, which is up, because the suns get bigger as they go up, which means it has more powerful magnetism. And as they step down towards us, the suns are smaller, so there's less powerful magnetism. So the more particleized ones float up higher with the magnetic pressure and energy of our multiverse, and the smaller ones stay lower. Well, when you make an atom up of them, the matter makes it heavy and it sinks down. So the atom becomes so pressurized from lines of magnetism, tapered lines of magnetism, which go out into a circular void like this, pressing outward. It's like the sun pressing out like this,